How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Bamil Gurung.
What is your age?
I'm 37 years old.
Okay, so how many family members are there in your family?
I have 6 members.
What is your education?
I have only 10 pass.
Okay, so have you ever worked in Qatar?
No.
So have you worked in construction labor?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me in which country did you work in construction labor?
I already 6 years
Okay.
working in Dubai in the construction line.
Okay. So you know that Romania is also a strict country like Gulf countries like Qatar, Saudi and Jordan. Are you ready to adjust in such condition?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.